Hello students, today we learn about the principle of business management. What is management? We can learn in this lecture. I, Dr. Piyush Narle, Shankara Khandirwa Arts, Science and Commerce College, Akola. Today we learn about what is management concept. What is management concept? Management concept is nothing but a role in planning, directing, and controlling. The term management is not new, but it is old concepts. The difference in only that the concept is changed as per the changing period. In the past, the meaning of the management was parachemical, but nowadays it's extensive. The old terminology of management is overwritten by the new generation terminology. The concept of the business and the organization has been changed. As per the changing attitude of business and organization, the meaning and concept of the management is also changed. Nowadays, each sector of society is covered by management. The management is applicable to business, an organization, a hospital, an educational institutions, or a political party. Thus, taking all the points of view together, it is difficult to define the term management. In fact, no definition of management has been universal accepted. That is management concept. Now we can see the meaning and definitions of management. First one is management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected atom. Second definition, management is the process of getting things done through with people in organization. Third one is management is the art of knowing what you want to do and then seeing that is done in the best and cheapest way. Now, after that, the characteristic of management. These are the 10 main characteristics of management. First is continuous process. What is continuous process? A continuous process is that the management function of anyone alone cannot produce any result in the absence of any other basic functions of management. These functions are performed continuously in the conduct of the affairs of an organization. The performance of these functions continues so long as enterprises is in extension. After that, the second one is the main aim to earn the profit. The main motive of the main management is that to earn a profit. The available resources are properly utilized to get desired profits. If the aim of earning of desired profit is not achieved, it is that the business has failed. The profit earning is measures of su- success of business. It is one of the touchstones of the measurement of the success of the business. After that, management of management means the management is also a top level management to a lower level management. Top level management can suggest to the employees and get a maximum output of his levels. And that fourth one is management is a dynamic process. Is a The social change is the result of changing business world, that is dynamic process. After that, management is need at all level. The functions of management and leadership's quality is required for all the management concepts. The seventh one is management is getting thing done. A manager or an executive does not actually perform any work, but they get things done by others. Management is the art of getting things is done through with the people